Hello dear children. So in the previous part 1 we have discussed that how exactly the respecting words are given there, rhyming words as well. Now we'll talk about next question. Practice some writing here. How did the seaside creatures, the crab, the lobster and the prawn teach Hari a lesson? Write the few lines. Alright, so you know it very well that how did the sea creature teach him a lesson. Okay, they have come to him and asked him very nicely that we heard that you are expert in pinching. So we'll show you that how to pinch and prick. And they pinch him that till he became black and blue. It means there were bruises on his body. Alright, he became red in color, and after that he understood. He came to know that pinching others is very hard and it's troubling a lot, and from that day he promised himself that he will not pinch to anybody. So this will be the answer. You write in your own words. If these lines are less for you, you can write in notebook as well. Now we have number 2 questions here. Read these sentences carefully. Like we have some examples here. I ate an apple. Okay, the first question. A boy is standing under the tree. Okay, I ate an apple. The boy is eating an apple. Then he's standing under the tree as well. The sun rises in the east. So sun is there, rises in the east. Now dear children, they have given some words which are red in color, like a and an do not point out any definite or particular person or a thing, whereas the is used when we speak of some particular person or thing. A, and the are called articles. Have you got that? So here an apple, an is called article, and a boy, a is article, and the sun, so the is article here. So basically, in short, what we can say, there are 3 articles in English. Listen carefully, it's very important. There are 3 articles in English. First one is a, an, and the. I got that? Please note properly. There are 3 articles, a, an, and the. Alright. So when we have these 3 articles, why do we use them? Articles are used to limit the noun. Articles are used to limit the noun. When you are saying that I have a book means how many books you have? You have 1 book. When you say I ate an apple, how many? 1. An apple means 1. So it means what? They are limiting now the number exactly, we can say. When they are used in sentence, a and an have a meaning of 1. Alright. And we can say commonly there are 2 types of articles. There are 2 types of article. One is what we can call is indefinite article. First one is indefinite article. In this there are 2 articles, article a and article an. Now these 2 articles, when they are there, remember that they are not indefinite. Means what? They are not fixed. They are not certain here, we can say. We can use this article to any noun. But remember, they are used for singular nouns only. Okay, only like book, pen, mobile and similar names we use these articles. They are not fixed and they can be used with only countable nouns. When we can count in number like 1 pen, 2 pens, 3 balls, 3 mobiles. When we can count the noun, for that purpose only you can use a particular article. If you have like milk, then oil or soil, for these nouns you will not use article a and an. Example like I want a milk, can you say like that? No, because milk is not countable. We are not counting with numbers, 1 milk, 2 milk. Alright? No. For that purpose, we don't count these articles with uncountable nouns. We only use them with countable nouns. Remember this, very important. Then we have article next type, that is definite article. That is called as certain, fixed article, we can say. So that is the only one article, the. The article is definite or fixed, a certain article we can call it. Why it is called as so? Because it is used at fixed places and you know it very well where to use it. Alright, example like when we use the article, at that time you know where it is used. Like the example given that the sun rises in the east. So sun, you know it, that's only one and fixed. For that purpose we use article the. Then also we have some special things all over the world like mountains, alright, rivers, then the books, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bible, Quran. So when we have the book's name as well, for such articles we also use, for such a books or special things we use article the. Are you getting it? Okay. We also use article the with the names of the family like the Kulkarnis, the Pawars, the Patils. Are you getting it? So we also use, it means that the is showing you the family members and basically addressing to the particular family as well. Okay. And after that, the is also used when we are revising a particular noun, describing it. For that also we use article the. Example like I saw a dog, the dog was red. I saw a dog. Now first I am using a dog, but second I am using the dog. It means what? When I am describing it, I have to use the. Okay. So with the special things in the world, with the families, with the mountains as well, with the description of particular noun, we use article the. And whenever using plural nouns and which are countable, for that also we use article the. Remember this. And there are some points like article an. Article an is only used with the words which begin with vowel. I hope you know it very well that how many vowels are there in English. There are only 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. So these 5 vowels are used in English, and whenever this noun is beginning with these vowels, we use an article an. Alright. So we have some examples here. Hari was. Now look at here, unpopular boy is used. So example will be an unpopular, because article and U is given there for that purpose. Look at next example. The boys and girls went to the seaside for a picnic. The seaside because it's quite one and uncountable. For that purpose we have to go for it. The seaside. Only one it is for that purpose. Then he saw a big crab, because we do not know, a noun is not fixed. For that purpose a big crab we can say here. Article a will come here. Article an will come first. Article the will come second. Number 3, article a will come here again. I found an empty bottle. Look at the e. The noun is beginning with e. And whenever we have vowel like such e, we use article an. I found an empty bottle floating in the water. And will come. And again number 5th we have the sea creatures, because the noun is in plural form. The sea creatures ate his food. Alright dear children. So I hope the basic idea regarding the articles you might have got with this video. Remember that we do not use article with the 4 things. We do not use article with the 4 things. Very first we don't use article with the games. We don't use article with the month names, like example games I'm saying. I play a cricket. We never say that. We just say I play cricket, not a cricket. It's wrong. Then for the month's name, like I will come in a May, no. A June, no. We don't use article also in that. Month name as well. Games name as well. Number 3 is we do not use articles with week names like a Sunday, the Sunday. Okay, we don't use article with them also as well, with weak names. And number 4 is diseases. Whatever diseases or names are given, with them also we don't use articles like a malaria or TB. No, we don't use article with diseases as well. I hope you have got with the 4 points, and revise this, practice properly. Whatever rules I have told you, please note down them properly in notebook after listening this video again and try to understand the concept and practice more examples of articles. The remaining part we'll see into the next video. Thank you so much.